thing is, when it comes to HubSpot, you need to activate the ABM. Okay, if you just take the HubSpot, by default, it is not activated. That means those features are not activated. You got to activate those features when it comes to ABM. Okay. For the sake of this particular webinar, I'm assuming that all the audiences are aware of the basics of CRM. When I say what is a contact, contact means the contact detail of the people, your leads. When I say account, it means company, and the company can have multiple contact. That means a company can have 100 people working for that particular company. So these are all interrelated and like so on. I'm assuming that if you do not, if you are just joining in, or maybe you're watching this particular video on YouTube, if you're not aware of the basics of the CRM, I have another video on that. Please go check it out. I'm going to put that into the comment section, in the description section as well, where I have defined what a basic CRM is and how HubSpot works as a CRM. So please watch that video and then come back here. I think it'll be easier for us. Okay. Now, the first thing that you need to do is you need to enable the ABM tools. Okay. That means you just go ahead and enable the tools, and then you will be able to do account-based marketing. Okay. Now, before I show you how to enable the tools, a question that might come up in your mind is, okay, all of that is good. I understood what account-based marketing is. Account itself acts as a market, and I need to find the people working for those companies, and I need to target them, right? Okay. Why am I doing that? Okay, that's a question. That's a good question. Actually, I'm going to answer that as well. If you are not going to be very specific within the enterprise when you are targeting those people, then it's going to be a problem for you. For example, if a company, if your target account has 10,000 people working for the company, you cannot send the email to 10,000 people. You will be immediately blacklisted, right? And there's no point sending email to 10,000 people within that company, or there's no point showing ads to everybody in that company. It's not. I mean, when you do an cold outreach, are you going to call everybody in the company and try to sell your product? No, you are always going to identify who the decision maker is, and then try to reach out to that person as fast as possible. Okay, to save your time and energy. Okay, that is the reason why you need to do this in the first place. Okay, that answers the question. Now let's talk about enabling the ABM tool itself. Okay, how to enable the ABM, and I'm going to show you a very simple process here. Since I've already enabled the tool in my HubSpot, so basically I've just given the steps here. I'll go through the steps, and I'm also going to show you exactly in my CRM how it looks like. Okay, let me know if if this is visible, or else I'm going to make it a little larger. I don't know whether I can do that or not. I think I can do that. Okay, so in order to enable account-based marketing, what you have to do is you have to go to Sales Hub, which is here, and then click on target accounts. Okay, so just go to Sales Hub, click on target accounts. Okay. Once you click here, then typically this, when you're doing it for the first time, this screen will come up. Okay, it looks like this. Unite your marketing and sales effort around the same data in the same place. Okay, and you just have to follow the next steps. Okay, just say get started. Give you a goal. What is the primary goal with account-based marketing? Okay, the primary goal can be to acquire new customer, to upsell to existing customer, to accelerate existing deal. Whatever is your goal is just market. Okay, and this is a very important point here. Many of you will think, okay, account-based marketing is only about finding new customer. No, account-based marketing is not just about finding new customer. It is not just about acquiring new customer. It's also about upselling, cross-selling, and nurturing the existing customer. Right? So there is an existing list of accounts that you have, your existing customer. If you can do the right kind of account-based marketing, that means if you reach out to those decision makers within the existing accounts and do the right kind of marketing, then possibly you can do upsell and cross-sell as well. Right? So your goal can be different. Whatever the goal is, just take market and then move on to the next step. Okay. Once you do that, then it will just ask you to activate the account-based marketing features. So once you click on that, those features will be activated. Okay, so just follow the steps here. Okay, and at the end, I just remove the company names for the sake of it, but ultimately you'll get this success, right? This success message that you have activated account-based marketing features and go to target accounts and begin explore, right?